Guys, welcome back to Beauty by Faye. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I'm going to show you guys how I customized this wig. I bleached it and I dyed it into the color that I wanted, and I feel like this color turned out pretty decent. It matches my skin tone, and I just did a simple beat for you guys. So if you wanna see how I created this whole ensemble, please keep on watching and let's go play in some colors. Little tip for you guys, I'm trying to get you guys to know me a little bit. I was really fixated on becoming a singer when I was younger. Oh my gosh, right? So I'm going to be singing a little bit of song because today I'm feeling myself. I'm going to be singing something for you guys. I don't see nobody else. Excuse me while I build myself. Excuse me while I build myself. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So this is the hair. I got this hair off of AliExpress. It is a kinky curly Brazilian hair. And the products you will be needing is 2 packs of bleach, 130 developer. You need a bowl or container to mix the product in and something to mix the product with. And you will start by mixing the 2 bleach powder with the developer in a container. And you're gonna wanna make sure you mix the product really well so that there's no clumps and bump left back behind. So what I do is I section off the hair and I apply the product by sections so that it's evenly distributed into the hair. And you just smooth it over. You don't clump the hair together. You just always pull down and look for the parts that the product didn't get to, and then you apply the products that way. So after you're done doing that, you will want to wrap the hair in some plastic or file paper just to get the hair to break down. I use some plastic. So after you're done doing that, after you rinse the hair and apply some shampoo, you will need some color, the color of your choice. So you will need hot water, and you're going to mix the color into the hot water, and you're gonna just swirl it around, and then you're gonna damp the hair into the water, and you're gonna dip it in a couple of times to make sure all of the hair is covered with the color. And then you're gonna just leave the hair in the color for about 5 minutes, and then you take it out, you rinse it, you apply some shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, you're good to go. And that's how I did my kinky curly hair. Okay guys, so this is how the hair turned out. There is no product in it yet, but I am loving the way this hair turned out. I think it complements my skin and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how I style my wig. And remember, this wig was made and customized by myself. I have a little bit of stain in here from eyeshadow from before, but that's okay. We're focusing on the hair right now, okay? What you will need to style this hair is you will need some sort of edge control. You will need a little hairbrush, and you will need some smoothing serum for the hair, and you will need some mousse, but I do not have any mousse on hand. I'm going to use the Wella Professional Flow Foam. Okay, so this is how it looks, and you will need a flat iron or a curling iron. So I have this amount of the Wella. Hi Talia.
Hi.
So I'm going to just apply this all over this hair, because I like, you wanna come sit with me. Okay. I'm going to be making some edges and I'm going to be forming a part. I want this to be a middle part, so again I'm going to go in with this foam.
And with this to make the edges.
And I'm going to be putting it there, right in the middle. And then I'm going to be making my part.
Why do you have your makeup?
So there you have it. I made my part. I'm just gonna put some more of the cream to the middle, and then I'm just gonna comb it down.
Brush your hair, brush your hair.
So you take your curling iron or your flat iron,
Yeah.
and you just use that to flatten the middle part. And for the edges, I'm going to just make a little bit of baby hairs here. This is as much as I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be taking some of the edge control and I'm going to be applying it right to the baby hairs that I want to make. And then I take my brush and then I just swoop it onto the side. So I'm just taking some and swoop it on in, okay? And for this other side, I'm taking out a little bit of the baby hairs and I'm gonna make it go that way. So you fix it until that's the way you like it. And this wig is a closure, it's not a frontal, so this is all I have to play with. So I'm going to just be finished flattening this area with this. And to finish it off, I'm going to be adding a little bit of my smoothing serum just to give it. So I do like 3 pumps. So I section off the hair and I do like 3 pumps on each section. So I do this side. This, if you want a wet look, you can do that. Sometimes I don't want a wet look, especially now that it's quarantine and we're not gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, because
We're not going anywhere, guys. Okay, so there you have it. So this is so beautiful. This is like natural kinky hair, so that's why I don't like too much product in it. This is how it looks now. So you got your middle part slayed and then you're good to go. So now I'm going to be applying some natural makeup to my face so I can get this whole look together. So to go along with this here, I am going to be doing a natural face look. So I went ahead and did my brow. So if you want to see that tutorial, I will link that video down below. So make sure you check that out if you want to see how to do your brows. So for my face, I will be going in with my Juvia's Place foundation. And this foundation is I Am Magic Velvet Matte. This is full coverage. So I already primed my face because I don't want to make this video long. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my Becca concealer, and this is in the shade Golden. So I'm going to go in with a beauty blender. I'm going to be contouring my face with this Nana Coco Professional Concealer. You leaving? All right, see ya.
Bye.
Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'll go.
Then I'm going to be going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids at the same time, because for this look I will not be using any eyeshadow. I am just going to be giving my skin a natural look. Make sure you get those areas where you get the most oily. So I'm just setting that area with that. And for bronzer, I'll be using my QO bronzer. So for blush, I will be using the Saharan Blush Volume 1 from Juvia's Place. And I think I'm going to go and mix these two colors together. So I'm going to be applying some mascara. To my lashes. Make sure you get those bottom lashes. Girl. I'm going to be lining my upper lashes. So I'm going to be lining my upper lashes with a little bit of black liner. Just a smidge. Like not anything too heavy. Just a little, you know. You guys know I love a wing liner, but today I'm not going to be doing any sort of wing because I want to keep this look as natural as possible. Alright, so I'm done putting on my lashes and I am going to be applying some mascara to my actual lashes just to blend them in with the lashes, the falsies. So I'm going to be applying my highlighter, and this highlighter is the Heroin Glow from Juvia's Place. So I'm going to be setting all this using the Morphe. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be setting all this using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Why is this like messing up my video? So I'm just going to be finishing up my look using the Essence lip gloss. And that's it. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. I hope you guys really enjoy this look, and I am so proud of how this hair turned out. So remember, I upload every Monday and Thursday, so make sure you come back and check out my video. Bye.